Hi everyone, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene and I'm a fashion designer in Ghana, Kumasi to be precise. So, in this video, I would love to show you how I unbox this mannequin. Let's just see how I unbox and then assemble this elegant, cute mannequin. Okay, pinnable as well, pinnable mannequin. So, let's just dive right into it. Unbox this mannequin that I got. Let's unbox it. So let's unbox this mannequin that I got. Let's unbox it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I was delivered today, and I want to see how it looks. Oh, let's see the color. Okay, so this is coffee brown. Pretty much, she has three colors available, and I just told her I don't know which color that I really wanted or which color the color that I opted for. I didn't know much, but I just decided let's just let her give me whatever color she felt comfortable with. This is what she got me, and I'm super. I love it. I love the color. I love how it looks. This is how the down looks like. Okay, so this is the whole body. Ooh, wow, this is super tiny. It has a very beautiful waist. So okay, so we have this as well. Ooh, okay, so I think this is what. Oh, this is super heavy. This is very heavy, very beautiful as well. Very heavy and beautiful, as you can see here. Oops. It's super heavy, very heavy. Okay, so let's just see what we have in again. So we have this box inside it. Let's see what could be in the side. Oh, okay. So it's actually the top of the mannequin, which is this one. Okay. It has a screw there, and there is a screw inside it. So I guess you gotta scroll it in. Oh, okay. Super cool. Oh. And we have this bar there as well. So we have this bar. Okay. This is a screw beneath it. Okay. So, okay. You have to pick it up and then you put it through like so. And then you screw it up like so. Okay. So we have these tools in it as well. So I'm sure these two, it has, see how it looks. Kind of be comfortable with the screw here. So I'm sure if I position it properly, it will be best for maybe like, okay, that's great. That's great. This is great. Okay, this is great. So we have this one here as well. Let me just put this away. So I think that's it. We don't have anything in the box again. So okay, so I pick this one with it. So this one comes with a screw beneath it like so. So I'm super positive that when you pulled it through like that, it would be able to pull it up. So this one also comes with this. So I think that would also serve as a guide. Let me put this one down. Oops. Serve as a guide for you to manage the height you would prefer. And then you put this one in as well. Like so. Okay. So like that. Okay. Oh. Okay. Tighten it up. So this is it. This is how it looks. So I think what do I do with these two after I'm done? Okay, let me just keep it around. So this is waist. Let's check the waist. 23 with a hip of, ooh, 43. Okay, so hip 44 with a waist 23 and the bust of, okay, 36. That's cute. That's cute. So let's see if it's a pinnable or non-pinnable. I requested for a pinnable one, so a pin can has to pass through it. Okay, it's pinnable. You can pin it. So that means that this is perfect for draping. This is perfect for draping. This is perfect for draping. So the non-pinnable ones, this is my old mannequin. The non-pinnable ones really it can't really you can't pin through it. Okay, you have like you can't pin through it. But this that is pinnable, you can pass pin to it like that, just like this one. Okay, okay, I love this. I think this was worth it. It was the price was quite high, but I guess I would say that okay. Let me tighten this up. This was pretty worth it. So far, so good. I would say that so far, so good. Um, great investment. Great investment. Great investment. I'll give it a thumbs up. I love how it looks. I love the color. I love the, proportions. Super cute. I just love the color. It's beautiful. Perfect.